so free. Ripple in the water where the fish might be. Feel the tug, feel the pull, don't hesitate. Patience is the key, that's the fisherman's fate. Start with the hook and a wriggling bait. Sunrise gold, yeah, the morning feels great. Thread it on slow, take your time, no rush. Every little move in the water's hush. Shadows dance as the ripples spread wide. The lake's a mirror and the boat's your guide. Gentle breeze whispers tales untold. Every cast a story waiting to unfold. Cast that line, let it fly so free. Ripple in the water where the fish might be. Feel the tug, feel the pull, don't hesitate. Patience is the key, that's the fisherman's fate. Silver flashes beneath the blue. Secrets of the deep just out of view. The real sing songs of the fight ahead. Moments like this are the ones we've been fed. Evening falls but the dream stays alive. Colors of dusk in the fisher's archive. One more throw before the stars take stage. A quiet bond with nature, no need for a cage.